All right, Kevin, so what are some of the things you look for on the outside of a house?
Okay, well, you can take a look at your fascia board, for example. This all looks pretty decent looking at it. The paint doesn't look faded. It looks good over here. When you come over to this corner, you can see it's chipping, peeling, falling off. This means that although it looks okay over there, this tells me that all of it is about to go. The best thing you could do at this point would be to have somebody scrape and paint all of it. Otherwise, if you do nothing now, in a year, especially through this summer, a lot of this is going to fall off. Our monsoon storms, things like that, and this is going to start to rot, and then it's going to cost you more in the long run by having to replace this fascia board. Whereas taking care of it now is your warning to save money later.
All right.